Hello, everyone. It's Peter Kevorkian, and I am really excited for next Philosophy Night. Our February Philosophy Night is going to be Roberto Monaco. I had the opportunity to go to Roberto's seminar in Atlanta a couple of months ago. He blew me away. If you've never heard Roberto, put on your seatbelts. The time with Roberto was exciting, stimulating, informative. He will transform a person in being able to speak in front of a group, but not just speak in front of a group, influence people and get people to be motivated to take that next action step. I've always felt like I was a decent communicator. This seminar blew me out of the water. I'm so excited. He said that he would come to Massachusetts to the Mass Alliance to be our guest speaker. So if you've never heard Roberto, or if you have heard him, I know you're going to be there. If you haven't heard him, you want to hear this guy. So he's here. He's going to say a couple of words. I'm so excited he's going to be there. Roberto.
Dr. Peter, it was such a big honor to have in our class. Everybody knew who you were. And like, oh, Dr. Peter's here. Everybody's so excited. And I had a chance to actually watch your talk, and you just rock the house. You're a pro. I absolutely love being able to experience your presentation. So in our upcoming training, I'll be talking about the architecture of persuasive speaking, not only the structure of how to organize talks, because I understand that chiropractors, they do different talks. Some chiros, for example, they do internal lectures, for example, a patient orientation class, or maybe a group doctor's reports. Some chiros, they do outside talks, for example, a stress talk, ergonomics talk. Some of them do a dinner with a doctor program. So I customize a presentation so that all the tools and information I'm about to share, they can use in any type of group communication, including video marketing. So it's going to be super fun.
Yeah. Can I say a couple things? For people who don't know Roberto, Roberto worked with Tony Robbins. Most people have heard of Tony. And he was their #1 marketer for Tony's programs for the better part of like 5 or 6 years.
Yeah, almost 6 years,
He is not a chiropractor, knows chiropractic better than most chiropractors that I know, and can communicate our message so elegantly and beautifully. And whether you just go to a philosophy night, engage in any of his programs, you'll be blessed. You'll be inspired, and you'll be better at being able to get this big idea of chiropractic across to others and get them to participate.
So if people are listening to us right now and they want to sign up for the class, what is the best address, the website?
A Mass Alliance for Chiropractic Philosophy, second Saturday of the month. So the second Saturday of February, 1446 High Street, Westwood, Mass. You can always RSVP. But you don't just show up. Okay, if you want to RSVP, 781-255-1717, or you can email me. Just respond to this email if you want to let us know you're coming. It's going to be an amazing evening. And we feed you. Be there at 6. Starts with food. 6:30, we'll have our mentor mastermind program, and Roberto will be on promptly at 7:30 to rock the house.
Awesome. Well, I'm so grateful for you. For friendship and for being able to be a voice for chiropractic. Thanks so much, buddy. Appreciate that.
Thank you, Roberto.
Bye-bye.
Bye.